30 minutes on this train and we arrive in Ireland. No passport needed. Hi, I'm Sandy Cardiff. Welcome to Dallas Step by Step, where we visit some of the most interesting places and venues in the DFW Metroplex, the way many visitors would prefer to, on foot, at an easy pace, and with just enough history to understand what we're looking at. Today we're taking the Dart Rail from Farmers Branch down to Fair Park. And there, something transforms Dallas for one weekend every year in March. Music, dance, storytelling, and lots of shades of green. Let's go see what happens when Ireland meets Texas. Well, you can hear it before you see it. That sound drifting through Fair Park, that's not Texas country. That's Ireland.
It's Irish Festival. We're gonna have a great time.
Join us here
It's
tonight.
not raining.
What I love about this festival is it's not just about the music. It's about community. You've got multi-generation families here. Kids learning Irish dance, grandparents tracing genealogy, musicians who've been coming for decades. And yes, there is food. We'll get to that. Now, this all started back in the early 1980s as a small gathering of musicians. But today it's grown into a huge festival. And it fills multiple buildings here at Fair Park.
This is Historic Names. We do the history of last names that offer origins, where everybody comes from. We have it. We have carry over 500,000 names.
We here at Peninsula Society International represent those not only in Scotland, but all around the world, from Britain, America, Australia, Sweden, and everywhere else. We have a long history of people from all around the world, and we have anyone here who, should they have any Leslie heritage, or might have one of the last names, as you can see over here, you might be able to look up your own clan heritage, look at the tartan, and sign up and become a part of Clan Leslie International.
I'm with the Clan Mackay tent here at the North Texas Irish Festival. We're just helping people who might be related to Clan Mackay. Surnames like G, McGee, McCoy, McFall, McPhail, Kay, Key, all of those are all related to Clan Mackay from the north of Scotland, and we're just helping them understand more about where they come from, their heritage, and their family history.
Our current clan chief is 28th in an unbroken line back before Robert the Bruce. We were supporters of Robert the Bruce, William Wallace. We fought against the English. We protected the passes through the Badenoch Mountains against the English, and helped drive out the English from Scotland.
Okay, I just stopped here at the Henderson booth and discovered that my tartan for my last name Cardiff, which is originally Irish, is County Donegal and the Ulster tartan. So that's very interesting. I didn't know that. I hear some live music up ahead. Let's go check it out. Live music is really the backbone of this festival. Traditional jigs, reels, sometimes Celtic rock. Sometimes something that feels older than Texas itself. A lot of what you're hearing traces back hundreds of years. And this is what happens when you follow the sound of bagpipes. If you've never seen Irish step dancing up close, it's almost percussive. The feet become another instrument. And these schools train year-round.
Our goals of our school in general are to continue the tradition of Irish dancing. I was taught by Maureen Hall, who came over from Cork, Ireland, and our school dresses have the Cork crest on the back, show that we came from Cork. And then outside of that though, we talk quite often about how our dancers really are just learning how to be good people, and they do that through Irish dancing.
So for a lot of these kids, this isn't just a hobby, it's part of their identity. And there's also storytelling. Irish culture has always been rooted in oral tradition. Long before streaming, there were stories passed from voice to voice. Festivals like this are how culture survives, not in textbooks, but in gatherings. It still fascinates me that we're standing here in the middle of Dallas, Texas, surrounded by Texas architecture. And yet, for one weekend, this place becomes something entirely different. Beneath the skyline and the highways, there are traditions from all over the world taking root here. And yes, if you were wondering, the food absolutely holds its own. You've got to try the Irish stew. North Texas Irish Festival isn't just about Ireland. It's about how traditions travel, how communities gather, and how Dallas continues to surprise me. There's a side of Dallas most people only see once a year. Green isn't just a color here, it's a tradition. Every city has hidden chapters, and this is one of ours.
Thanks for walking it step by step with me today. See you on the next one.